Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will do sheet metal part design, and this is the sheet metal part design tutorial 03. And you can see that I have modeled this sheet metal part with respect to this orthographic drawing, and my 3D model is matching with a isometric view. So I will show you from the scratch how you can create this sheet metal part. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I will insert my body, and I will on my origin plane and select the front plane and create a sketch. Now switch to the model tab and hide it, the origin planes, and now we will select polyline tool and create a rough profile, and the profile is of the front shape. So here I have made this profile. Now I will give the dimension. So this vertical dimension is of 44, this is 14, and this is of 37, and this horizontal dimension is of 15.5. Now I will move it. So this is our front profile, and we will come out of the sketch, and here we will switch to the Sheet Metal Workbench. Go to the model tab, select sketch, and create a bend, and now we will provide the length. Length is of 30 mm, and thickness is of 3 mm. Now here is a bend is outside. We will create to the inside because we have considered this outer diameter. So now if we see our sketch, so here is a 37, and after that this is the thickness. So if we switch to the wireframe, so this is the our profile, because 37 is the inside dimension. Now we will switch to the flat lines, and of this sketch press 0 for isometric, and now we will extend this face. So we will select this bottom edge and click on extend, and now we will modify this extend. So this extends length is of 30 mm, and here is a gap on the both the sides. So we will give the gap of 2.5, gap 1, and gap 2 2.5. So you can see that gap has been created because we want this dimension 30 mm. So if I select this 2 and switch to the part workbench and click on the measure, so this is the 30. 15, 15, 13. Now we will switch to the Sheet Metal Workbench, and now we will provide this fillet of R15. I will select this edge and press Ctrl and select these two edges, and to give the fillet we will switch to the part design and click on the fillet, and here we will provide fillet of 14.99. Now we will create our next feature, which is this hole of dia 12. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry, project the outer diameter, select the circle, and from here select diameter and provide the 12 mm, click on close, select the cut, click on OK. Now we will create this hole, and before that we will provide the fillet. So select this edge and this edge by pressing the Ctrl key and click on the fillet, and here we will provide 14.99, because if we take the 15 this fillet will fail. Now let's create this hole. So select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry. So here if we click here, so it does not get converted into the perfect arc, so we will delete it and we will create a circle, and we will constrain it with a horizontal and vertical edge. So click on project edge and select this horizontal and this vertical. Now select this point and this point and add a horizontal dimension of 15. Select this point and this point and our vertical dimension of 29, and select a diameter and provide a diameter of 12. Click on close, click on extrude cut, say OK, and now we will create these two holes. We will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, select the circle, create two circle, and now we will switch to the top view and rotate our model, and here we will provide the dimensions. So first we'll provide a center to center dimension is of 18 mm. So select this and this, 18 mm, and we will select this circle and this circle and made it equal. Select diameter and provide the diameter of 6, and click on project geometry, select this horizontal and vertical, select this point and add a vertical dimension of 6, and select this point and this point, and this value is also 6, and now select this point and add a horizontal relation. Click on close, and now click on cut and say OK. So here we have successfully made this model, and now let's check the dimensions. So if we go here and if we check the dimensions, so this is a 60 and this is a 15, so 60, 70, 75. So from this edge to this edge it would be 75. So this is a 16. So here we will go to the extent, and here we will add the length 15 mm, so it will become 45. And now we will clear the dimensions. Now press 0. Now it's look like to our isometric view, and this is how we have converted this sheet metal parts. And now we will learn how we can create a development view of this sheet metal body. So we will switch to the sheet metal, and we will select this bottom face, and we will click on here unfold. So once you click on unfold, keep the rest of the thing as it is, and click on OK. So you can see that development view has been created, and this is the sketch of a development view, which you can export it to the DXF format for the cutting. And here we can off this original body, and we can also export is at a step file. Now I will on this off this unfold and sketch. So this is how we have modeled this sheet metal part from scratch using part design and sheet metal workbench, and we have also learned how to unfold the sheet metal part. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.